going to be doing some rice and peas, guys. Got my peas here, there. I've washed my peas. Add my peas to my pressure cooker. I'm going to add some water to that now. Okay, wait on. Okay, I'm going to add some water. Just add my water. I'm going to add 2 sprigs of garlic. Put on my pressure cooker top and put it to pressure. Guys, I just finished pressure my peas. So I'm going to season my pot here. So I'm going to add some salt. I put some pimento seeds in it. I'm going to put some seasoning. And here I have my coconut milk that I'm going to add to it. So I'm just going to allow my water to boil up before I add my coconut milk. But I added some thyme and scallion and some garlic. So I allow that to boil up before I add coconut milk. So I'm going to be adding my coconut milk. So round it up to about 2 cups of coconut milk or 3 cups. Stir that around a bit, cover the pot and allow it to boil. See, here it starts to bubble now. So let it boil up some more and then we'll prepare our rice. So I'm going to cover up my pot while I prepare the rice. Remember guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so here I have about 3 cups of rice. So I'm now going to wash it. So I wash it over about 3 times. I wash it 3 times before. So guys, we're going to add our rice now. Look at that, my rice is started to dry down. As you can see, you still see some water in it, so we're going to allow that to dry out some more before. So at this point you could add, pepper. Could add a hot Scotch bonnet pepper to your rice and allow it to cool down. So tell me in the comment below, how do you think? Guys, stay tuned for more. I think I did a good job. First I'm making rice and peas. Yay! Remember guys, check out the other video coming out soon. And see you all. So I'm going to start on my brown stew chicken. So here I have my chicken well seasoned up. I put what I used down in the description below. So I'm now going to get ready to fry it. So here I have my frying pan. I'm going to be adding some vegetable oil and also some butter for the flavoring. So I'm just going to let that sizzle down and get hot before I add my chicken. So once it's hot, I'm going to stir it to incorporate them properly. Now I'm going to get my chicken and I'm going to add it to my oil mixture. So just add them piece by piece and stir them so they don't burn or stick at the bottom. So I'm going to stir them well. Okay, I still have some more adding, so just going to continue adding them. And give it a little stir in the meantime. So once you finish adding everything, we just want to allow it to a little cook up Jamaican style. Brown fry. So we're going to cover it and allow it to fry before we add anything else. So guys, as I was saying, I seasoned my chicken with some salt, some pepper, onion, garlic, pimento seeds, powdered seasoning, Maggi seasoning up, chicken seasoning as well, and browning for the brown color, and some scallion, garlic, and so forth. So you just season up your chicken how you season up your chicken, and also you can add soy sauce as well. If one never put any more brownie in pan it. Like I stay there and you can put more brownie if you want. Alright, so just add my water to my brown stew chicken and a little scallion and thyme. We're not gonna allow that to cook. At this point I could add a little, if I have some pimento greens, could add that. And I have to add a scotch bonnet pepper, but I saw those. So on those, just gonna let it boil up first. So we're gonna add a pepper, some pimento seeds, allow it to boil, then we'll make it like a grape. So, tasty. Sometimes each person and a flavor. You can't eat it. How? So there I have my chicken. I added the water and now it's there simmering down. I also added scotch bonnet pepper. Now I'll be adding some ketchup. This will help to thicken it a bit. I'm just going to be adding some ketchup and just stirring it just to get the ketchup blended into the liquid. So now the brown stew chicken, guys, very tasty, very nice. You can create it any way that you want. So guys, or butter and fried oil. There you have it, nice and cooking. You guys, woo, can't wait to enjoy it. So now we're going to take it off of the rice and peas. Who's coming for dinner? So guys, that's it for my video. Thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Turn on post notifications so you can get notified when I post. And also share this video with your family and friends, and comment down below what you think of this Jamaican meal recipe, rice and peas and brown stew chicken. Cook it anytime, tastes good. Sunday, Monday meal. Thank you all. See you in my next video.
So I just did a Jamaican full cooking video for you where I did my brown stew chicken, some rice and peas, and I did with some sliced tomato and a slice of pear and my apple juice. So for my apple juice, I sweeten it with some sugar, and you can add any other juice. So you can add a little syrup for taste, and you serve it chilled. So guys, thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.